Can Google detect AI content? Google has the capability to detect AI-generated or synthetic content, commonly known as deepfakes or AI-generated text. While the exact techniques and algorithms employed by Google are not publicly disclosed, they continuously work on improving their systems to identify and flag such content. Google employs various methods to detect AI-generated content, including image and text analysis, pattern recognition, and machine learning algorithms. It's important to note that the detection methods used by Google are not foolproof, and the technology to generate convincing AI content is also advancing. As a result, there may be instances where AI-generated content evades detection. However, Google, along with other tech companies, invests significant resources into improving their detection capabilities to combat the spread of misinformation and malicious use of AI-generated content.